Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. Today I'm sharing stitching of kurti dress. I've shared its cutting in my previous video. To check it out, click the link in the description box or in the I button on the screen. This is the front bodice. I've cut it from the center. Firstly, I'll make the neckline, and for that I'm using this paper fusing. This is on fold. Now I'll draw neckline. Neck width is 3 inch. Neck depth is 7 inch, adding half inch for seam allowance. Again mark neck width point. Join these points. Now I'll draw a round shape. You can make any desired neckline. Now length of this fusing buckram is almost equal to the length of bodice. I'll extend this neckline till the bottom part. I'll take width of neckline round 1 inch. It's your choice if you want to take less or more. From the on-fold side, mark 1 inch. Join these points. So this is a neckline shape. Now I'll cut it. So I have cut the neckline. I have 2 pieces and I'll paste it on the printed fabric. Now take wrong side of the printed fabric. Place the neckline. Now cut it, leaving 0.25 inch of seam allowance all around. Now make small cuts on the outer edge, fold it and iron it. So I have pasted buckram on the fabric, and this is how it looks from the wrong side and the right side. Now I'll attach it on the bodice. Place the buckram on the wrong side of the bodice and make a stitch along the buckram. I have pinned up the buckram. Now I'll make a stitch. So I have stitched it. Now similarly I'll stitch the other side. I have attached the fusing buckram. Now I'll cut the neckline shape. Now I'll make small cuts. Now turn the buckram towards the right side and iron it. Now I'll make a stitch on the outer edge to secure it. So neckline is ready and this is how it looks. Now to join both pieces, I've taken a piece of same fabric and I have overlocked it all around. Now place it like this. And make a stitch. So front bodice is ready. Now I'll finish the back bodice. Now I'll cut the back neckline. Neck width is 3 inch. Neck depth is 6 inch. I'll add ½ inch for seam allowance. Again mark neck width point 3 inch and join these points. Now I'll draw a round shape and I'll cut it. I'll finish back neckline using bias tape. Place the bias tape on the right side of the bodice and make a stitch. Trim the excess fabric. So I made a stitch. Now turn the bias tape towards the wrong side. And make a stitch on the inner edge. So I made a stitch. Now I'll trim the excess fabric. Place the back bodice on the front bodice. And stitch the shoulder slope on both sides. So I have stitched shoulder slope on both sides. Now I'll make the final stitch on the back neckline. Just turn the bias tape towards the wrong side and make a stitch. I made a stitch on the back neckline. Now I'll finish armholes using the same method. I have made this facing for the armhole. This is for both front and back, and I'll use the same method. So I'm just skipping this part. So I finished armhole, and this is how it looks from the front, and this is from the back. Now I'll stitch the side fitting seam on both sides. Similarly, I'll stitch the other side. So I've stitched side fitting seam, and with this bodice is ready. Now I'll finish the bottom. Now I'll finish bottom round of the skirt. Just double fold the fabric and make a stitch on the inner edge. Now I'll stitch the side fitting seam. Now make small cuts all around the waist. So bottom is also ready. Now I'll attach bodice and the bottom, and for that take wrong side of the skirt and right side of the bodice, insert it into the skirt like this. Match the center and side seams. Now I'll make a stitch. You can pin it up if you want to. Overlock it. And with this, kurti dress is ready, and this is how it looks. I made casual kind of dress, but you can create festive outfit. Use the same pattern and replace the fabric with silk, shintoon, or you can make bodies with embroidered fabric or brocade and use plain fabric for skirt. So thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this pattern. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and do subscribe our channel for more such videos. And I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.